Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hey students, what are you doing here? What are you doing?
I am doing my question paper.
Question paper. You are having any exams today? Any exams, written exams, semester exams are you doing?
We are doing the Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi Vichar Yadaram question papers.
Question paper on MCQs on our national father.
Yes, sir. We are solving these questions.
You are solving the questions. So you have studied the books or you simply answering? Have you studied the books, complete books?
Yes, sir. Study the complete book.
Have you studied complete books?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. So let me check your knowledge on your preparation and your knowledge. Let me see.
Are you all ready? Yes. So related to this topic, I am going to ask certain questions. Okay, let's see who will answer this. Numan, stand up for a while. Can you tell me how many children are there of Putli Bai?
Yes, Putli Bai having 4 children.
Very good, very well done. So one more question I have to ask. So what is forbidden to eat in the religion?
Forbidden to eat in the religion is meat.
Okay, so you think meat is forbidden by the religion?
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good. Thank you so much. Sit down. Now, for one boy's answer, so let's see how many girls can do it. So, Zainab, can you answer? Please stand up. So, what does the saffron color stand for the top of the national tricolor? Can you answer, please?
Yes. The saffron color on the top of the national tricolor stands for bravery.
Wow, it stands for
Bravery.
Good. So, one more question I will ask to you. Can you tell me what age Gandhiji passed his matriculation?
Gandhiji passed his matriculation at the age of 18.
Very good. Which age? 18.
18.
Very well. Sit down. Thank you so much. Now, Katsasha, no, Moin will do. One boy, obviously. Moin, stand up. Can you tell me, Child Mohan decided to be truthful like what?
Yes, I can tell you. Child Mohan decided to be truthful Harishchandra.
Very good. Harish Chandra. Good. One more question. Now I will ask to you. He looked upon Gandhiji as a younger brother. Who looked like?
He looked upon Gandhiji as an younger brother, Gokhale.
Very good. Gokhale is the correct answer.
Yes,
That Gandhiji feel that he is the younger brother.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Sit down.
Welcome.
Katisha. Where is Katisha? One girl can beat one boy. Let's see. Katisha, can you tell me what is the name of Gandhiji's wife?
The Gandhiji's wife name is Kasturbi Bai.
Kasturbai. Okay, so the Gandhiji wife was Kasturbai. Good, very good. So one more question. What do you think the Nightingale of India?
The Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu.
Okay, you have written Sarojini Naidu. This was the correct answer. Very good. Now some more questions. Let's see who will answer this. Sohail.
Yes, miss.
Okay, stand. Have you written answers about sir and year? Okay, so I will related to that I will ask the question. Okay, so can you tell me in which year the Round Table Conference in London held?
Round Table Conference in London, 1934.
In 1934.
34.
But the correct answer was 1934.
4.
Okay. So one more question. Can you tell me answers?
Yes, miss, I can tell.
Achha, can you tell me which year Gandhiji fasted for 21 days? उपवास रखे थे उन्होंने 21 days. कौन सा साल होगा वो? Which year it is?
The answer is 1943.
Yes, the correct answer was 1943. Very good. Sit down. Thank you so much. Now, the next question is obviously in the girls section, Kadri Amna. Have you solved the paper?
Yes, miss, I am.
Very good. So I think you can answer it easily. So I am asking you some match the following questions, okay? So police outpost set fire.
Police outpost set fire by Chauri Chaura.
By Sure. Very good. One more question I am asking to you. So, can you tell me Gandhiji prepared first illegal salt? Where?
Gandhiji prepared first illegal salt in Dandi.
Okay, Dandi is the place. Okay, very good. Thank you. One more questions in girls. Zaya, have you done all the questions?
Yes, sir.
Prepared?
Yes.
Okay, let's see what you have written the answer of this. According to you, who shot? It's very important question. Huh? Who shot bullets at Mahatma Gandhi?
Nathuram Goods shoot bullets at Mahatma Gandhi.
Okay, the person name was Nathuram Godse. He shot bullet at Gandhiji. Okay, now one more very important question. Let's see what you have written the answer. So according to you, on which day Gandhiji was shot dead?
On 30 January 1948 day, Gandhiji was shot dead.
Very good. The correct answer was 30 January 1948. Very well said. Thank you so much. You have written a perfect answer. Sit down. Now see, related to 6th standard and 7th standard, they have given a brilliant answer. Let's see what we can given by 8th and 9th standards. Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So starting with Asba, starting with our girls. Okay, Asba, can you tell me birthplace of Gandhiji?
The birthplace of Gandhiji is Porbandar.
Is Porbandar. Good. Can you tell me the another name of Vaishnavi temple?
The another name of Vaishnava temple is Haveli.
Okay, Haveli. Can you tell me the spelling?
Yes, Haveli.
Okay, good. Can you tell me the first ashram founded by Mahatma Gandhiji in India?
Yes, the first ashram founded by Mahatma Gandhiji in India was Sabarmati Ashram.
Okay, good. It's Satyagraha ashram. Okay, but the good one. You have written right. Sit down. Ariba. Written? Paper solved?
Yes.
Okay, good. So can you tell me who suggested the repetitions of Ramayana as a remedy for Gandhiji's cure?
Ramba suggested the repetition of Ramayana as a remedy for Gandhiji.
Okay, so Rambha has suggested according to you.
Yes.
What is the right answer? Very good. So one more question I am asking to you. Who rescued Gandhiji for the furious mob in Durban?
Mrs. Alexander rescued Gandhiji for furious mob in Durban.
Good. So have you learned all the books?
Where is Durban? It is in South Africa or in India?
Sir, it is in South Africa.
Okay, very good. So Durban is in South Africa.
Sit down. Thank you so much. Adil,
Yes,
have you prepared written paper?
yes.
Solved? Oh, very nice. Okay, so tell me the answer. Gandhiji started his practice as a lawyer in which state? So after returning from South Africa.
Gandhiji started his practice as a lawyer in Bombay after returning from South Africa.
Okay, in Bombay. That was the correct answer. Sit down. Okay, one more question. Have you solved all the paper? Now let's see. Okay, according to you, what do you think that Gandhiji was against in which marriage?
Gandhiji was against child marriage.
Child marriage or democracy?
Child marriage.
Are you sure?
Yes, yes.
Oh, that was the correct answer. I'm confusing you. But good confidence. Sit down. Thank you. Okay, now the next question, Zishan.
Yes, yes.
Are you ready? Done? Every answer?
Yes, yes, I am ready.
Okay. Sam, I will give you the option. Don't worry, okay? We must speak dash in any circumstances. Who say like that? The option is I'm giving to you. It's love or truth.
The answer is we must speak truth in any circumstances.
Okay, so Gandhiji is always said to us that we have to say only truth. Okay. So one more question I'm asking to you. We can achieve freedom by what?
We should achieve freedom only by ahimsa.
Ahimsa. Okay. Can you tell
What is ahimsa? It is violence or
It
non-violence?
is non-violence.
Non-violence. So what is violence?
Violence means fighting.
Fighting. Okay, very good.
Okay. Sana Fatima, thank you so much, Dishan. You have done good. Good job. Okay. Done paper? Okay. Let's see.
Sana, you have written complete paper.
I have written complete.
All out of 80.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Let's see what is your
Let's see,
knowledge.
if she has done the proper answer.
Yeah, let's see the knowledge.
Okay. How much did Gandhiji charge for the case in Mumbai and Gandhiji's time at Gandhiji's time?
Gandhiji charge for the case in Mumbai was rupees 30.
30 on that time, 30 rupees he charged. Okay. Okay, now tell me, which habit kept Gandhiji practically free from illness and gave him a very strong body? What he will do?
The habit of long walks.
Okay. So
What you said? The habit of
long walks.
long walks, not long talks. Okay, long walks.
Okay. He works very long, so their health should be very good. One more question, let's see you will answer right or not. How were the Indians treated in South Africa on that time?
The Indians were treated with no respect in South Africa.
On that time they will give no respect to any Indians.
That
Good
was
answer.
time when South Africa was apartheid. It was a partition there, black and white people not living together.
Okay, good. Thank you. Now I'm asking to Varda.
Yes,
Varda.
Are you busy in solving the paper?
Yes, Miss Anne.
Okay, please give me a few seconds.
But your friend, she has already solved and you still solving. Did she get earlier than you? Did she get earlier than you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the question paper were given earlier than Varda. That is why Sana has written faster than Varda. Okay, Varda.
Now I'm asking you match the following. Have you solved the match the following?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now give me some few seconds to question you. Now tell me Tinkatia system. Who has started this?
The
Tinkatia system.
Tinkaji system is started by Champaran Satyagraha.
What again question? What you said?
Tinkatia system was
Okay.
started by whom?
The Tinkaji system started Champaran Satyagraha.
Champaran Satyagraha. Your voice is not good, but the answer is right. Very good. Okay. Now one more thing. Foundation of Satyagraha Ashram. What is the foundation of Satyagraha Ashram?
Foundation of Satyagraha Ashram in 1915.
It was started in which year? 1915. Correct answer. Okay. Can you tell me who is the Prime Minister of Porbandar on that time?
The Prime Minister of Porbandar is Karamchand Gandhi.
Okay. And Karamchand Gandhi ji was?
Prime Minister of Porbandar.
Yes. And also the father of Gandhi ji. Okay. Good one. Sit down and please continue with your paper.
Continue your papers. If I'm asking, the teacher asking question, only that person will reply.
Ikra. Ikra Shahbaz.
Where is Ikra?
Oh. Completed paper?
Yes,
Okay, I'm asking you few questions. Just try to answer this, please.
You can see the answers also from your papers. It is not general knowledge. We are having the MCQ test. So if you want to see the answers in your paper, you can see. That's how we will come to know that you have written correct answers. Chalo.
Now, Ikra, tell me if I say in one sentence, I shall get the boy solemnly to take 3 votes, and then he can be allowed to go to England. Who said this?
I shall get the boy solemnly who take 3 votes, then he can allowed to go to England, was said by Bejarji Swami.
Very good. It was said by Becharji Swami. Good. The next question was, why should not all the truthful like Harishchandra? Who said this?
Why should not all the truthful like Harishchandra, was said by Gandhi.
Was said. Very good. It was said by Gandhiji. So you are giving me good answers. So one more question I have to ask to you. Won't you learn the language of your own religion? Who said this?
Want to learn the language of your own religion, was said by Sanskrit teacher.
Yes, it was said by Sanskrit teacher. Good one. Please write down the paper. Nice. Brilliant. So last but not the least, one question I am going to ask to Uzma. Uzma. The very general knowledge question I am going to ask related to Gandhiji, okay? Like Gandhiji Parichay.
Yes.
Okay. So which statue did Gandhiji like the most?
Gandhiji liked the most three monkeys statue.
Okay, 3 monkeys. Good. One more question. What was Gandhiji's main weapon of fighting?
Non-violence is the main weapon of Gandhiji's of fighting.
Okay, so he fight for non-violence.
Yes.
One more question. Let's see you will answer or not. Maybe it is little hard according to me. Gandhiji's Samadhi is known as what?
Gandhiji's Samadhi is known as Rajghat.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Rajgarh
Yes.
or Shantigarh?
No, Rajghat.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, it is the right answer. Rajgarh is the right answer. Very well done. See, all the students, I think you have learned all the books properly. Okay.
So students, it seems that today was a very special, or I mean today is a very special and peculiar day. So am I right? Is it a special day for you? Yes, sir. Aisha,
Yes, sir. Today we have a half day and we have.
was a half day today?
Yes.
Aisha, it was a half day. Why was a half day?
Because we have done an activity on our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhiji.
So Mahatma Gandhi ji is the father of
Nation.
nation. Okay. Can you describe in detail, please? Anyone can describe anyone what you have done today, because the half day and activity that is quite confusing me. What have you done?
Yes, sir, sure. Actually, we were given a book. The book name was The Story of My Life.
Your life.
No,
The book's name is?
The Story of My Life.
Okay. Who's written this book?
Bharadan Kunarappa.
Okay. Bharatan Kunarappa. Okay. Tell me, please.
Yes, it was written by Bharadan Kunarappa. The book was given to us on Thursday, 23rd February, and here today the competition is going on.
So 28th February you have started giving the competition.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
The book was given on 23rd.
Yes.
And the competition in 28th. Don't you think it's a very less day?
Yes.
It's a very less day. But you people have
Prepared very well.
prepared very well. You have fought. You are a warrior of Gandhiji. Okay. Okay. Sit down. Very good. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Ansari Rumaisha.
Okay. Rumaisha, tell me please. Have you studied the book whole and complete?
Yes, sir. I have studied a book complete.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
So that's a really great achievement.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Can anyone describe or present Mahatma Gandhi ji in few words? Can you describe in few words?
Sir, it is not possible to describe few words about our Bappu in
Okay,
few
Bapu,
lines.
you cannot describe in few lines.
Yes, sir.
For Bapu, you need
More
you
than
need
10.
days, and you know that. Okay. So here, Sohail, can you describe?
Yes, sir. Sir, let me take this opportunity and I try my best. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was an Indian revolutionary, nationalist, anti-colonial and political ethicist who employed non-violence against the British rule and led a successful campaign for India's independence.
And his theory was applied in India or all over the world?
In all over the world, he led the civil rights and freedoms.
Okay, that's a great achievement for all of us Indian,
Yes,
that
sir.
are father of nation, who gave the theory of getting freedom by non-violence, and that idea was followed by all over the world. Lots of countries got the freedom by this method. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks a lot.